Hello everybody, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason and I got a video for you today as I'll be showing you how to get free Bitcoin by playing games. I came across this website by the name of rollercoin.com that I'll be going in depth on and show you how you can start earning crypto token by playing games. The first thing you want to do is go onto rollercoin.com. Once on rollercoin.com, you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and from here you can either select free Bitcoin or you can select Bitcoin games. Once you have selected either one of those web links, you will be redirected to this page right here, and all you'll have to do, as you can see right here, is play games, and you'll be able to play some elegant 8-bit style addictive arcade games and also some of the most popular games that I'm sure if you're a gamer you are currently playing now, and you'll be able to earn Bitcoin. Yes, you have heard me correctly. This is a play to earn crypto website. So we can scroll down and we can read some more about them. You'll be able to earn real BTC, Doge, and also Ethereum tokens and other crypto coins to mine and withdraw. Unlike other free Bitcoin games, all crypto that you mine here is not virtual but is actually available to withdraw to any crypto wallet. So unlike most Bitcoin games that promise that you would be able to withdraw the crypto token, and when you check it out it's actually virtual, this one you'll be able to withdraw the crypto token to your Bitcoin wallet. And you can sign up quite easy, as all you'll need is your email address and your password, and once you have reliable internet you can start making money. And as you can see here, how to mine BTC on Rollercoin. In Rollercoin you can start with an empty room which you will turn into a mining center and a desktop PC ready for a Bitcoin game. You have started this journey because you dreamed of mining real cryptocurrency, and now your dreams come true. Play games for Bitcoins, but keep in mind that there are other players that want free Bitcoin too. So if you are serious about your plans, you need to overcome them in the best Bitcoin miner game. The simulator of real mining, so the theory is pretty much the same. There is global mining pool where the power of every Rollercoin player is combined, and Bitcoin reward is hidden in a mining block which is calculated every 10 minutes approximately. So you can see the details right here. I won't go through everything, as I recommend that you actually do your own research and find out if this is the website for you and if you would like to explore it. But thus far, based on the research that I have done, they seem reliable and they're also very popular, as when I went onto SimilarWeb, which is a website that you can go on to look on statistics and visitor duration of a website, there are over 12 million persons that visit this website monthly. And also they have a Bitcoin faucet game where you can sign up also. So there are numerous options on which you can explore on Rollercoin to start earning some free Bitcoin or crypto token overall. So once you have reliable internet and you have a free laptop or PC, I would recommend that you give this a try. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.